Hey guys, welcome back to another weekly developer diary. So for this week I've been a little busy, just like moving back home for a few weeks for like the festive period. But I've managed to get a little bit done, so I'll just show you what I've been working on. So rather than the RPG project I've been working on the past few weeks, I decided for this week I want to do a little bit of stuff for my portfolio. Like stuff I can do quite quickly and then I can use that to apply for jobs. So I had a look back at the Orbit game that I made like ages ago, and just started just tweaking it and polishing it a bit more. So like for starters, all these art, as you can remember, I remade a lot of the art assets, but I've made a few more and just implemented them, as well as some various little effects. Like for example, I made this giant black hole, and I gave it this really cool particle effect. So it's quite similar to these ones. However, I made it so it's a lot faster and it actually works quite differently. So you can see they're like all quite slowly, randomly coming in from various different points. Whereas here, they're all coming quite fast and there's a lot more of them. And I think while doing this, I found a more efficient way to make this particle system. Because if I look at the particle system for this original black hole, as you can see, it is essentially 8 different particle systems all shooting like inward. Whereas what I managed to figure out with the like larger black hole is I can make a particle system that's just the shape of half a circle, and then I just made 2 of them. So there's one that's on the top here, and then one that's on the bottom. So by doing that, I just meant I'm only having to use 2 particle systems rather than having to use 8 separate ones for a single particle effect. And if anything, actually, I might just be able to change it just to be a sphere. To actually just have it be, if I just disable this one. Yeah, well, just like that. I don't even know why I'm putting it into circles. I can just have it be a single circle, well, yeah, circle, or sphere particle system that just shoots inward and then it disappears in there. So actually I can get rid of that other particle system and I'll just simply turn the emission rate up on this. So by doubling it, I should offset it. So yeah, it looks the same. So yeah, I think I found a more efficient way of making these like black hole particle systems, which is good. So I'm definitely going to apply that to the smaller black hole. Another thing I've been doing is just tweaking some of the visuals, just trying to make sure everything's like consistent. Because as you can see here, the particle on this player is a lot smaller than the particles on this asteroid, and that's something I want to fix. So I want to make sure all the, not particles, sorry, pixels. I want to make sure the pixels are like consistent, same size across all art. And then other than that, I'm definitely looking into trying to get some better physics for the player. So that, like, say when the player hits a, as you can see, I got sucked in. Also, the larger black hole has like a lot more suction on it. But as you can see, when I hit an asteroid, if I hit it while I'm already at speed, I just kind of land on it and come at a dead halt. I kind of want to try and implement it so, you know, maybe you bounce a little bit. Because then I could do stuff like maybe have an asteroid that doesn't have a gravitational pull. So if you hit that, you can just sort of bounce off it. So that's just a bit of what I've been doing this week. And the main reason I've done this is because I've seen a job offer that, well, not a job, it's like a contract that a student can do. So I'm just trying to polish my portfolio up over these next 2-3 weeks, just so I can try and apply for that and just try and get a bit of work experience. So that's what I'm aiming for the next couple of weeks. So I want to polish up this demo, because right now I'm thinking I can show the Prism game and the Fast Food Takeaway Drift games I made in a group, because I was a large part in creating them. So I can have them two in my portfolio and obviously just credit what I actually contributed in them. As well as I'll have this demo polished up a bit more. And then I think a good thing would be to go to the soulbound possession idea. Obviously, I wouldn't be able to make a full level or anything like that in time, but just make the possession mechanic and the player controller more like concise and fluent. That, or I could just mess around looking at different tutorials and just see what I can create and say, I don't know, maybe challenge myself that I have 24 hours to create some sort of demo. Maybe that could be an interesting challenge. But yeah, for next couple of weeks, I'm thinking of wanting to just try and get a portfolio so I can try and apply for this contract job. Just because I think a bit of work experience would look really good on my CV for when I'm trying to get a job after uni. So other than that, although I say all that, obviously it's festive time, so I will be seeing a lot of friends and family while I'm home. So I'll see what I get done for next week. So thanks for watching, guys. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you all next week. Alright, peace.